Marcus, it's always a pleasure to see Starrag at A&B. Now we're 2018, you're great innovators of new products, but Heckert AV, what's this about?
Hello Mark. So we are always looking for additional value, to create additional value for our customers. And this is now about flexibility. And about uncoupling the logistics chain. So what we say is that within the machines or within a machine pool, we need to create additional flexibility, which is more, we want to have more than a traditional FMS system. So we want to have the clamping and unclamping of the part logistically divided from the machining of the part, from carrying the tools to the machine, and from all the other logistical things which you may have, like bringing the chips away. And what we thought is that the optimum solution for such a task is an AGV, like we show it here, like our AV, the new AV at pallet, AV at logistics, what we are presenting here, first time on the show.
Now what I like about this is that I would imagine if you've got a small machine tool shop, you really want to maximize the space, and I suppose these type of things really help rather than a fast system on a row system.
Well, I don't want to talk about competitors, but what you see is that with other systems you are bound to a certain space. You have space requirements like putting all the machine into a line, or you have to break up your actual workshop design in order to bring such an FMS in. And what you can do with this system is you can integrate it smoothly into your workshop. So it means even that if a machine is inside or outside the system, it's no difference, because you can switch on the robot either to supply a machine, or you do it by hand with a manual supply. So you gain a maximum flexibility with such a system.
And when you look at Industry 4, it's a big part of the world now. This sort of fits into that strategy of yours.
That's one part of our Industry 4.0 strategy. It's composed of various parts. It's composed about making the process, the machining process, easier, about connecting data, about servicing the machines, and it's also about flexibility within the workshop. And that's what we are offering here.
And do you think it'd be a good seller, this product?
Well, now it's the first day of the show, and we have had already quite some requests about when we can deliver, so how costly is it, and so on.
Well, it looks like a marvelous investment that and the money and the time that you put into this. Hope it's a good success for you guys.
It will be a success, I'm absolutely sure.